You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 221, or 14.866. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 73 and y1 equals negative 79. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 84 and y2 equals negative 69. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 73. x2 equals 84. y1 equals negative 79. y2 equals negative 69. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 221, or 14.866.